What's going on, guys? And for today, we are going to talk about the best Medicare supplement providers for 2025. Choosing the right Medicare supplement plan is crucial for managing healthcare costs. As we look ahead to 2025, several providers stand out for their comprehensive coverage and additional benefits. This list highlights 5 of the best Medigap providers, each offering unique advantages to help you make an informed decision about your healthcare needs and financial well-being in the coming year. Let's start with AARP or UnitedHealthcare. AARP or UnitedHealthcare stands out as a top Medigap provider due to its wide array of plans and appealing extra benefits. With coverage available in all 50 states and Washington, D.C., they offer convenient access to health insurance. In some instances, UnitedHealthcare may cover 100% of Part A and Part B coinsurance, a significant advantage for individuals needing extensive medical or hospital care. Select plans include benefits for foreign traveler, discounts in vision, dental and hearing care, gym memberships, and a 24-hour nurse helpline. Furthermore, households covering multiple individuals can benefit from a 10% discount, making AARP or UnitedHealthcare a cost-effective choice. State Farm. State Farm is recognized as a Medigap provider offering straightforward and reliable coverage. While they may not have the extensive extra benefits or perks of some other providers, their plans are designed to be easy to understand, offering peace of mind without unnecessary complexity. State Farm provides a solid foundation of coverage, ensuring beneficiaries have access to the essential benefits they need without overwhelming them with additional features. For those seeking uncomplicated and dependable Medigap options, State Farm is worth considering for its clear and concise approach to healthcare coverage. Humana. Humana is a leading Medigap provider renowned for its extensive extra plan benefits and comprehensive coverage options. They offer a variety of plans to accommodate different budgets while also providing additional coverage that goes above and beyond many competitors. This includes cost-sharing discounts in vision and hearing care, a complimentary fitness program for older adults, a convenient meal delivery service, and 24/7 access to a registered nurse via phone. With plan availability in 48 states, Washington, D.C., and Puerto Rico, Humana offers accessibility and a robust suite of supplementary benefits that make it an attractive choice for those seeking value-added healthcare coverage. Blue Cross Blue Shield. Blue Cross Blue Shield is highly regarded for its wide range of Medigap plans, providing a strong selection of coverage options to suit diverse needs. With a presence in most locations nationwide, including Washington, D.C. and Puerto Rico, Blue Cross Blue Shield offers broad accessibility. Their plans often include additional benefits such as discounts on fitness memberships, access to online behavioral health therapy, and savings on health screenings. The extensive selection of Medigap plans, coupled with potential perks, makes Blue Cross Blue Shield a competitive option for individuals looking to tailor their healthcare coverage to their specific requirements. Anthem. Anthem stands out as a provider that offers valuable extra benefits alongside its core Medigap coverage. Enrollees can enjoy access to Silver Sneakers fitness membership, discounts on prescription drugs, and savings on vitamins and weight loss programs, supporting a holistic approach to health and wellness. Additionally, Anthem provides options for adding prescription drug, dental, or vision coverage for an extra cost, allowing individuals to customize their plans to meet their specific healthcare needs. Anthem's commitment to offering supplementary benefits makes it a compelling choice for those seeking a major comprehensive and personalized Medigap solution. Selecting a Medigap provider is a personal decision. Evaluate your healthcare needs, budget, and desired benefits when choosing a plan. Comparing these top providers will help you find the best fit for your 2025 healthcare coverage. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.